Hello and welcome to Wardy IT Solutions SQL Server Query Writing Essentials. We'll be covering 7 modules that will gently ease you along the way to becoming proficient at querying a Microsoft SQL Server database using SQL. Let's just cover off briefly what you'll be learning about. We'll start with an introduction to Transact SQL, Microsoft's extension to basic SQL. Next, we'll move on to looking at the tool of choice for interrogating and managing your SQL Server databases, SQL Server Management Studio. We'll then jump right in to look at how you specifically retrieve information from tables within your database. Next, we'll focus on how you can create groups of the rows you want to return and how you can add aggregations to those groups. Do you need to return rows or data from multiple tables? That's what we'll cover next. Let's start getting a little fancy by using the results of one query in another query. We call those subqueries. And finally, we'll have a quick look at how you would go about modifying values in those very same tables. Of course, most of the time you won't ever actually need to do that. Just finding out what's in there is the main objective. Let's begin with a brief introduction to SQL and Transact SQL.